Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Hazlehurst local, and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocations can be interstate or intrastate, depending on where your destination lies. These relocations require expertise and experience from people who are licensed and registered to make them. Our drivers are well-equipped and trained, able to make long-distance and complex relocations look easy. While long-distance relocations are expensive, we have an affordable package. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour for our local relocations. And because of our extensive knowledge of the areas around Hazlehurst, you can bet that we will get you to your desired location on time. We are a responsible and legitimate company. Confirm our reputation if you will. You will only get amazing reviews about us from previous clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hazlehurst moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.